Hey folks, welcome back to another Illustrator tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a halftone sphere effect in Illustrator. Let's delete this and make it from scratch. Choose the ellipse tool and draw a circle in the middle. I'm going to make it just perfect circle and apply a gradient from white to black. Now go to Effects, Pixelate, and then Color Halftone. Now choose the radius to 80 and then hit OK. It will take some time and then it will bring this old stuff over here. Now what I gotta do is to go to Object and then Expand Appearance. In this way, again, I'm gonna go to Image Trace and then, and Make. Alright, Image Trace and then Make. Now tracing may be slow, so I'm gonna click on OK and it's quite fast. I was just thinking that it will be slow. Now I'm gonna go to Object and then Expand again and then hit OK. Now I'm gonna right click, ungroup it, again ungroup, and now just remove the whites and then click on delete to delete it. Now you can save it, now you will save it as a symbol. I've already created that one, so I'm not gonna make a symbol again, and then hit on delete to delete it. Now we can delete it. Now I'm going to choose the ellipse tool and then make a circle in the middle. Choose the pen tool, choose this anchor point, delete it, again make an anchor point and just simply delete it. Now this will create a semicircle in the middle, and then I'm going to go to Effects, 3D, and Revolve. This will make it a sphere, and then I'm going to click on Map Art. Now we have to map the artwork which we just created, this is a symbol we just created, and then put it on it. Now I'm going to click on the none or the symbol, and then I'm going to choose new symbol. With the new symbol which we just created, this is the symbol we created. Now after that, I'm going to just put that over here, just see, and I'm going to hold shift and make it bigger. Just put it wherever you want. What I'm saying, wherever you want. Then click on Invisible Geometry and then hit OK. Hit OK again, and you can see there is your halftone sphere effect ready. But there's one thing. You want to change its color, right? And when I double click on it and choose any color, there is no color because we have a whole compound. Alright? What I gotta do is to go to Object and then Expand Appearance. This will create it, but you can again change its color. So it will be filled with the color. We want the circles to be filled. Now again, what I will do is to go to Object and expand it, right click, ungroup again, and then right click again and release clipping mask. Alright? And now you can see we have it individually. Choose any color you want and you will see this not cute, but a cool halftone sphere effect ready in Illustrator.